Hello guys, this is me Chris here, and today we're doing a little Mac tutorial. This will be my first Mac tutorial. As you can see, I am on a Mac. I got the Mac 2 weeks ago for my birthday. So yeah, you guys are not going to be expecting a lot more videos since I have another OS to make more videos on. And plus also I'll be starting a series soon on the Windows on bot scripting for MRC. You guys can look into that. I'll see if I can make a little series about that and all that scripting since I'm getting a little bit more into that with my chat room as well. So this will be a little video for the Mac on how to turn a Windows X or any Windows that can do shared folders and make it that your Mac can actually connect to those shared folders, which it is pretty easy. Really like to do. The Apple has their own extension called SMB that allows you to connect to a PC, and they actually thinks of it as a PC server. So let's say I think it's 1.14. Let's see in a minute. It's either that or 1.13. So nope, that can't be it. I'll try it again, and if it doesn't work, it'll be good for this tutorial so I can show you actually how to make it work. Oh, there it goes. I'll just click on guest, connect, select the 3 shared folders, and there you go. The best thing also about this, because I used to use FileZilla server, is that you can actually, let me make this bigger, you can actually create a new folder in it. Oh, well I'm a guest, but if I actually logged in, it will do it. So I'll show you guys how to make that, and it's pretty easy, so we'll switch over to the PC. Alright, so we're now ready to start creating our shared folders on the Windows PC, or I'm using right now Windows 7, but this should be able to work on anything that allows shared folders. I'm not sure when they actually allow shared folders. I'm not sure if those in XP, Vista, but yeah, as you see, this is the chat room. So let's get started. I want to create a new folder actually in the C drive, so we're going to go to the C drive, and as you see, here's one of the shared folders from the Mac. So I'll just create a new one. And also, whenever I create a new folder, and let's say I switch it, right when I do it from the Windows, it automatically updates to the Mac. So any changes will go straight to the Mac when it kind of like refreshes every second, so it will know what changes are going on. So let's create this one, server 2. So now we call this one server 2. We can right click on this one, click on properties, click on sharing, share, and now we get this little file sharing pop up. Now we need to add everyone in order to use it. You don't need to, but I think it might not work for home group, but I'm just gonna allow everyone. Click on add, and then it's better if you put this thing to read and write so you can actually do some stuff in the folder and not just look at it. Click on share, and there you go, there's my new shared folder. Click on close. Now on network, my computer should pop up in a minute. The chat's moving a little bit more. You guys can join it also at live.tweakiners.com. So if you guys want to chat there, you guys can do that. This will take a little bit too long, so I'll just switch it right back to the Mac. Alright, so we'll get there in a minute. So now we're back to the Mac computer. Now, in order to connect to it, you can go to right-click on the Finder and just click Connect to Server, or you can just open up the Finder and just go on. I think it has to be Finder, no, Go, and click on Connect to Server, or just press Command K. So now what we want to do is on the I didn't show you this, but if you open up Command Prompt on the PC and you type in IP space ipconfig space / all. And also, all of this stuff will be in steps in the description, so you don't have to listen to my voice for everything. But do that, and then scroll up, look for your network card driver or network driver, and look for your local IP address. That will be the one, not the IP address, but the local host IP address, which is somewhat of a 192.168. You want the last ending of it, and mine's going to be 113. So you want to click on connect. Now, as you see, it already told me here which ones I can do, and there, as you can see, is server 2. Click OK, and now I have access to server 2. Now I should be able to make a folder. There we go. I just made a folder, and now when you add it, you get the little pop-up here for shared. Now if I click on info, it says it's a PC server. That's alright. Now if your computer goes down, or sometimes it would just disconnect, that's alright. And it does also give some little shortcuts. I have no idea how to remove it unless by injecting it, but so we can click on server 2, and as you see now, if I go to the Mac, I'll tell you right now, if I go on server 2, as you can see, I'm looking at on my Windows right now, it says use untitled folder. So now I'm gonna go on the Mac, I mean the Windows. I gotta get that out of my head, and I'll show you how quick it is. So I'll say hello YouTube. As you see, it just changed. So now, as you see, right when I changed the name of the folder on the Windows, it changed it right on the Mac. So that's a pretty cool thing you can do with your old PC. If you just got a Mac, you can make some server folders on there and start to connect to it. I'm using it for that right now, and there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and you guys also can follow me on Twitter. I have the link on there. I'm right now starting to get back on my tweets, a little bit harder, but there you go, guys. That's how you can turn Windows shared folders and connect to your Mac. Hope you guys enjoyed, and hope you subscribe.